Hello, I'm Shailen Bhatt, Federal Highway Administrator, and I'm proud to announce that we've opened the application process for up to $10 billion in funding from the Bridge Investment Program thanks to President Biden's Investing in America initiative. That funding will help rebuild bridges all across the country, restoring lifelines for communities and commerce. When times are good, bridges enable us to transport vital products and connect people to the places they need to go and the people they love. And when times are bad, they serve as critical evacuation routes that transport people to safety and help first responders get to the scene of emergencies. In the first year of President Biden's Bridge Investment Program, we awarded $2.4 billion in funding to communities nationwide. That includes everything from small, local bridges that communities depend on to repairing national landmarks. For example, it funded seismic updates and structural repairs for the Golden Gate Bridge to make it more earthquake resistant, as well as a historic investment in the Brent Spence Bridge, which carries 160,000 vehicles and $2 billion of freight across the Ohio River every single day. And this is just the beginning. For more information about the Bridge Investment Program and how to apply, please visit the FHWA website at the link below. We look forward to working with applicants to rebuild bridges in cities and towns across the United States.